Yep. Hello, we are the Tapebenders. This is Absolution.
Strike one down and burn the rest as you dynamite your last regret with needles strewn on epithets. 1,000 miles of broken threats seem splintered fragments fit us best, and our chalk outlines might soon impress as your fate moves too slow for me. Take the turn inside the scorn of a paradox that's ripped and torn. Talk in circles, toe the line while extravagance is on your mind. I'm screaming faceless, wordless pain that's acid etched straight through my brain. Absolution, the refrain of drawn into you and torn apart at the seam. Collapsing dreams, push and pull against the words you used to mean. Now I'm stuck inside with nothing, and it makes no sense at all. Since we've started second guessing, our questions seemingly devoid.